Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Spotify Music as iPhone alarm? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Well, I hate to break it to you, you can't directly use Spotify in the native iPhone clock app, but you can use third-party apps like Alarmify. So let me just go ahead and open the App Store. There's Alarmify, there's Kello, there's also Morning Alarm for Spotify to connect to or basically alarm for Spotify to connect your Spotify account and then wake up to your favorite songs or playlist. So let me just go ahead and open one of them. So for example, Kello is one. You can simply go ahead and select it and then just download it. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and put all the ringtones by connecting your Spotify just like that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.